That's cool. Action shot. Got it? Okay, got it. Our first actual real target, penny. We're on the board. I think it's a piece of aluminum. Oh no. Another penny. Crusty penny. It's a penny spill. So I didn't drop it. But what's in here? Oh, there it is. A dime. We have an official coin spill. Let's see, any more? Yeah, there's another one right here. Another crusty penny that I dropped. So this is my first target from all the way down there. It's a 33-34. I really haven't been finding much. Definitely jewelry. Looks like a charm bracelet, which I kind of broke. Definitely gonna be junk, whatever it is, but still, at least it's something. So, second target of the day. It's bouncing around like a 30-40, but really loud. It's pretty much right on top. It's cool. It's a pocket knife. Frontier USA. Stainless. Alright. Put it in the pouch. So this is my, I think, third good target of the day. Check that out. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of people around me, so it's pretty cool. Check both ends. The clasp is broken off, so there's no markings on it. I tried to find the other half, but I'll check it out later. Alright, I hit a nice little pocket of stuff, so I'm going to leave the camera on. But this sounded really good. Look at that. I'm not seeing any stamps. It's probably just stainless steel, but not bad. Pretty decent size, too. super good. There you go. Gopper. Alright, a little bad news, but that's fake. And that's fake too. But it's all good. Finding jewelry is good no matter which way you slice it.